Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a calculated column to a pivot table in Excel in just a few simple steps. Click anywhere inside your pivot table to activate it, then click the product checkbox in the pivot table fields pane on the right to add it to your rows. The product field moves down to the rows area at the bottom of the pane, and your pivot table updates to show each product name as a separate row. Click the unit price checkbox to add it to the values area. Excel automatically places it in the values section and displays a sum of unit price column in your table. Uncheck equals unit price. Quantity to remove that column, we'll be creating a calculated field instead. The sum of unit price column disappears from your pivot table. At the top of the screen, click Fields, Items, and Sets to open the drop-down menu. You'll see several options for working with your pivot table data. Select Calculated Field from the menu to open the Insert Calculated Field dialog box. This window lets you build custom formulas using your existing pivot table fields. Click in the Name field at the top and type Total Sales as your calculated field name. This is what will appear as the column header in your pivot table. Click down into the Formula field, where you'll see an equals sign already there. Any formula you build needs to start with that equals sign, so leave it in place. In the fields list below, click Unit Price, then click the Insert Field button to add it to your formula. The field name appears in your formula bar after the equals sign. Now click Quantity in the fields list, then click Insert Field again. You'll see quantity added to the formula right after unit price. The formula now reads equals unit price times quantity. Excel automatically inserted the multiplication operator between the two fields when you added them in sequence. Click OK to close the dialog, and the calculated column appears with the multiplied values for each product row. Your new total sales field now sits in the values area of the pivot table fields pane. Your pivot table now displays the total sales calculation alongside your existing data, and the values update automatically if you change any of the source numbers. If your calculated field doesn't appear in the values area automatically, you can drag it there manually from the pivot table fields pane. To edit the formula later, go back to Fields, Items, and Sets, select Calculated Field again, pick your field name from the drop-down, and modify the formula. You can create multiple calculated fields in the same pivot table, just give each one a unique name. The calculation updates automatically whenever you refresh your pivot table data, and that's how to add a calculated column to a pivot table in Excel. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.